Streetlights flicker in the midnight mist, a quiet moment that we almost missed. I'm holding hot tea in my freezing hands. Walking through the city, nobody understands. Listen to the rain fall soft and slow, watching all the traffic reflections glow. Open up your heart and let it stay. Listen to the words I wanna say. Ame no Oto, 静かな夜。Oh, under my neon umbrella in the dark, searching for a little magical spark. 大丈夫, everything will be fine in this sleepy dream of yours and mine, floating on the waves of the Tokyo breeze, bringing all my heavy thoughts to ease. A cat is hiding under the store roof, leaving tiny puddles as a little proof. I pull my oversized sweater up tight, losing all my worries in the starry night.